1970 Ford Ranchero GT. 1970 Ford Ranchero GT. Twister Special, recently rediscovered, one of 2 cars produced. It was in the book Lost Muscle Cars by Wes Eisenshank. It was basically pulled out of the field, cleaned up a little bit, and brought right to the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Chicago, Illinois, or Rosemont. This is an original 429 car with shaker. You can actually see, looks like they reattached some temporary stickers on the back, but it's really cool. It was sitting out in a field, and they were able to rescue it, I think, for $600, $400, something like that. Engine obviously is long gone, so is the transmission. But it's a really neat car. See the original 429 badge down there. And for sitting out in a field, I think it was in like Utah or something like that, it's not in terrible condition. Even though I think the rear bumper is going to have to be replaced.
Sitting in a field for so long, this car was in really good shape and didn't need that much. And you can see cars just like this in my first 2 books available on Amazon. And of course, I'm constantly posting to my social media at the link in the description below.